everyone, it's me Ira. Today I'll be talking about this hair that is on my head. Like, this is raw Vietnamese hair, and this is the wig that I made. This whole hair is from my business, Ira Legacy. If you haven't heard of that so far, or you don't know about it, please go check it out on Instagram. I've been gone trying to grow that, and so far I think I'm doing pretty well. I'm doing pretty well, and this is one of our raw hair wigs that I will be dropping soon. Like, my wigs are ready to wear, so you can easily install it yourself. So I'll be showing you the whole process of how I easily install it without, well, I did everything because I'm the one that do the work for you, but I just wanted to show y'all how the hair would come to y'all and how you could easily install it. But right here is our raw Vietnamese straight hair. I just curled it and stuff, and I added layers, but this is what I've been looking for. Like, I've been looking for like a wig like this, and this is the wig. Like, the luster, there's no products in this. These wigs are custom made and made with raw hair. As you can see the luster, the flow of it and stuff. The hair that you don't gotta do much to, that just, like, she looks bougie. She's full. This is 3 bundles also that I made this wig with, and a 5x5 closure. And though the lace looks HD, it's not HD though. The lace is just really thin and soft, buttery, and yes, like, I love it. And I'm just so happy to finally be able to provide this hair. I also do have virgin hair wigs and also colored hair wigs, which you could get colored any color you'd like, and you can also send in your hair to be colored or customized. Yeah, but I'm gonna just let y'all watch how I install it, and I'll see y'all again. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with laying our edges. Today I'll be using Erica J's Liquid Melt. This product right here is amazing. Like, where was I? But this one right here, you could also use it to do your edges, and your edges will be like done for like 2 days or 3. So it's amazing. If you haven't tried it, try it out. This right here is our ready to wear wig. She's done, she's styled. You would get your wig like this, like, you just gotta put her on. And I'm just showing you the lace, how thin it is, and inside of the wig, custom made. And again, the lace, you know, trademark by Ira Legacy Wigs. Right here again, I'm just showing y'all the lace on, and as you can see, like, this lace is almost HD, like melt scalp lace wear. Like, that's what it's giving. Yes, am I lying? No, but I'm just showing y'all a little bit more because, and it's like butter too. It's amazing. Lace too isn't like scratchy, like, you know how some lace is scratchy and stiff. This one right here, I'm telling y'all, butter. And right here, first I'll start off with alcohol, you know, to clean your skin from any type of oil. Yeah, I gotta pull it back. As you can see, I did put it way above my hairline because it does, you know, frontals or any type of closure. You can choose where your hairline starts, you know. And right here, skin protectant by Bold Hold. Don't spray this in your eye. Like, I sprayed it in my eye and I thought I was going blind. Like, I thought I lost my eye, y'all. But I'm just putting that also at the same place where I just put the rubbing alcohol. I'm fixing my wig just to make sure it's where I want it and it's fitting well. All that, you know. Be sure to also follow us on TikTok to see a little bit of behind the scenes of what I be doing. Alright, so this part right here I did want to include because I always see people like hook those things together, but no, it's supposed to go in the slot in the back, and that also helps with your wig if you want it a little tighter or looser. But I'll be using Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, and this is how I'll put my glue on. I do make a thick amount, and as you can see, I don't have a cap on because, like, honestly, you don't really need a cap. I don't always do a cap. Sometimes I just don't like to do it on myself, but if I'm doing like a install for a customer or a client, I'll do a cap because it makes your wig last longer, I feel. Okay, I do want to say you don't have to use any glue if you don't want. Most of my wigs I do with a band. You could ask if you want a band. You can choose if you want a band or not, and you don't have to use glue. You could use a spray, adhesive spray, or like the bottle I showed you earlier by Erica J. You could use that also. Okay, so after I put my 2 coats of glue and let it dry clear, I'm laying the lace down and then I'm gonna press it in with the comb. Alright y'all, if y'all made it this far, comment down below a blue heart because y'all know I was like a see wigs is the bomb. But let me know where you're coming from, TikTok or Instagram, or just let me know. Right here you can see it, right? She popping already. I got a lot of questions on how to cut the lace, so I'm gonna show y'all. So first, start off, if you gotta close your wig though, start off by cutting the little edges right there. That's if you want, but it does help the wig like lay better. Then I'm gonna go in the middle so I could just cut the 2 parts. I used eyebrow razors, but you can use scissors. You would just cut jagged. The eyebrow razor just does that for you. Alright, so let's clip the baby hair back so we don't cut that part off. All we're gonna do after is just lay it back down. Very simple, very easy. Like I said, ready to wear, easy to install yourself. Even if you don't know how to install a wig, well, here you go. You could watch this to install your Iris Legacy wig, so go order right now. Alright, so y'all see that, right? Just laid it right back down. Edges done. For the people that don't know how to do edges, it's done for you. Again, I'm gonna click that back and just start cutting. And we're gonna lay the edges right back down. I'd be so focused, like so focused, and I look mad. That little part right here, the white part you see on the side, what I did go do was put what's the thing called? Just like a black pencil so it could blend in with the hair because that little white part was showing. So that's what I did. Here's the side view, but as you can see, I got a little glue in the front, but we'll fix that later. It's gonna go away. Like right here, I'm taking some alcohol on a Q-tip and then rubbing it at the front to take off some of the glue that I didn't lay the lace on. That part was like really annoying me. Like I kept going back and like trying to take it out, but we fixed it. As you can see at the beginning, hair popping, she laid that scalp. Right here, I'm just fixing the edges. As you can see, you would just easily sweep it, but man, I'm a little extra. I was just trying to really make it be what I wanted, but yeah, that's the edges, just fixing it, just refreshing it and laying her down. And I was trying to fix that little white part, but like I said before, I just went in with the eyebrow pencil and it looks fine. I'm showing you right here is an elastic band. I do have some that will be in my packaging with the wigs, so you'll get that. Also, I was like to see melt bands, whatever, elastic bands, whatever you want to call it. You'll also get that, so you could easily put on your wig. And now I'm taking it out and just look at the reveal. Wow, this is a silk brush. And here I go back again with the edges. Yeah, I had to delete a lot of the parts because I kept doing this edges thing, but this right here is the hair, the after effect, like y'all see. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to follow Lexi on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't already. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it in the comment section.